guys, it's Tammy and I have another yarn haul. This one is from Love Knitting, which sounds appropriate. And I am excited. Oops, it's totally stuck. So it's Saturday. No, it's not. It's Friday. I had the day off today to move my son into his regular dorm. I'm sporting the Who's Your Mama t-shirt. And no makeup, but I don't even care, so pardon me. But not pardon me, because I don't really care. This is the ones that come in these cute little bags. So, let me move this box out of the way. And, alright, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of these so far. I think there's more though. These are the Maribel Chunky, and I thought these were really cute. So I wanted to get those, and I got, yes, I do have more, because I think I got enough to make a really cute kind of a sweater thing. And then I also got some of these colors. Oh, I'm so excited. So let's see, there's 10. Here's another one. So these are out. And you can see it's chunky, kind of fluffy yarn. It's very pretty. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I got 19 of those. And that is correct. So that's pretty cool. I'm excited about these. I have an idea in my head as to what I'm going to make with those, so we shall see. Usually using one color though for a long time is a little bit boring to me, a little bit distracting, so we'll see how when I start it. I also got this beautiful color. This is, I don't know, they don't really tell you the names on here. Oh, the other one was called Sapphire. This one is called Lila. I guess it's kind of like lilac, but it's a darker purple. It's actually picking up really close to the real color on screen. It's very cute. So I should have 6 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. And then I have one of these. This is a little baby, and it is just yarn cotton, and it's in the color pink. And I think I got it because it was really inexpensive, so I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do with it. I need to look up some cotton patterns. And this one's really pretty. This is called Peter Pan Chunky, and it is in the color Off-White Precious Chunky, and it is like little fur, and I thought this would be pretty to make like fur cuffs, either for like a Santa Claus or for a pretty sweater or something like that. So that's why I got that. And then I got some just Off-White. There's 3 of these in the color Off-White. Oh, and this one is in the color Duckling, but it's an Off-White too. Camera isn't picking it up very well. Wonder if maybe that's a little better. They're about the same color, but this is definitely a different kind of yarn. This is Just Yarn, it's called, and it's a chunkier yarn. It is 100% acrylic. 100 grams, 262 yards, and it says to use a size US 7/8 for this. It's very pretty. And I have 3 of those. And then I got one in a mustard color. And all of this yarn was on sale when I got it. So it's very pretty. And it was very affordable. I think it's lovely. So I'm excited about that. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with all of them yet, but I am pretty excited. I might get out this mustard one and start with something with this just because. Now I have 2 yarns that I got, or 2 skeins that I got, and they are this Red Heart Boutique sachet, and it is this really thick kind of a yarn that makes these really fun sweaters. I've done a few of them, and I got 2 skeins, and I don't know if you'll ever guess where I found these at. The Dollar Tree. No kidding. So they had some others, and they had some green and yellow, which would be really cool if you were a Green Bay Packers fan or something, but I thought that this was fun. These colors were really neat. It has some sparkle in it too. I think you can maybe see that. But I only picked up 2. I think, if I remember right, it takes 2 to make one of those scarves. So that's why I did that, because I don't know how much I'm really going to wear those scarves or how much I really even like them. I just think they're fun to make. And for $2, I thought I can't go wrong. So that's what I got. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.